टेक्नॉलॉजी हो एक असो विशय आसा जितून आमकां दर दिसा एक नवीन नवीन एडवांसमेंट पळोवपाक मेळटा. आमी सद्या आसा इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया हांगासर आनी हांगासर DB ग्रावंड म्हणजे दयानंद बांदोडकर ग्रावंडाचेर टेक्नॉलॉजी एक्झिबिशन सद्या चालू आसा. ह्या एक्झिबिशनाचें उक्तावण केंद्रीय मंत्री अनुराग ठाकूर हांणी केल्लें. टेक्नॉलॉजी एक्झिबिशना आमी आसा आनी हांगासर आमकां एक असो स्टॉल मेळ्ळो जितूंतल्यान जेचे कडेन वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्यो लायट्स आसल्यो. त्या स्टॉलाच्या इंचार्जा कडेन आमी आतां उलयतले. सर, वेलकम टू आवर शो.
Thank you,
So
sir.
what type of lights are they?
Aperture is a global brand which is into intelligent film lighting. So these lights are basically used in all kind of filmmaking, ad film, studios, OTT platforms, web series and all, other than photography, And so we have a complete range of lighting from budget series till pro series. Yeah.
What are the different types of lights? Can you explain each one of them?
So yeah, it's a very broad range. So we have a small lights which are used by the content creators, So anybody like YouTubers or whatever, they want to go in front of TV or something, they need lights. So these are all small lights used for content creation. Then we have big lights for proper filmmaking, full feature films and all. So different outputs. We have RGB lights where you can set any color. All the lights are completely app controlled. So you can control each and every light with an app, and you can control up to 100 lights at a time
In the mobile?
in the mobile. So if you want, I can just show you in a brief. So that's the app. So I'm just loading this. All lights are paired in the gone.
They have a Bluetooth or?
Yeah, it's Bluetooth. So single click, all the lights are on and off. So same way we can control 100 lights at a time.
So this type of technologies are currently used in the films?
Yeah, it's very widely used. Like you go to any industry, South, North, Mumbai or Chennai, Kerala, even Goa, they are using it. Institutions are using to teach the students, including the FTI.